I've been thinking about temples. Sometimes when I think too hard, I go to my
You looking at stuff or you're packing?
Yeah, packing. Where? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking it should be a breeze for wizards to move house. I mean, who needs cardboard boxes when you've got teleportation, right? But for some reason, my magical field seems to be on the fritz. And then a magical box appeared. And inside, something truly mind-blowing. Usually, when an object like this appears, someone is in great need of it.
I need something cool for this terrarium.
Like this guy.
Who are you and where am I?
This place, my name, completely irrelevant, Ben. What is relevant is that you need a giant tiny temple for your terrarium.
Yeah, that does sound cool to be fair.
Oh, okay, sorry. People are usually a bit more resistant at this point. The whole taking you out of your dimension without your permission thing. No, that's great. Yeah, this is going to be good, isn't it? Me and you making a temple. It's going to be, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not blinking SOS messages, are you? This isn't a hostage situation. You can leave basically whenever you want. Not until we're done with the project. You can't leave until we're done. But you're okay with that, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I think it's going to be good. This is going really well. No, don't. That's not an exit. You can't actually get out there. So. Yeah, sorry. No, you can't. We had so much fun with that fun door. Yeah. So we spent most of the evening trying to work out how this thing goes together, and we made some really fun arrangements, just not the right one. Yeah, we've done quite a bit, to be fair. Shit.
I think it might be a very expensive failure. There's 50 pieces which look like they don't go together. This has to be done by 6 p.m. tomorrow. And thanks, man. And yeah, we're not on track, so I'm not feeling good about this.
It's good work. It's strong work. Show Ben? It's not all about projects. Sometimes it's just about life.
I needed another wizard. I needed Rengald, the guy who designed this whole thing, and he helped me work out how to put this together.
Nice, yeah. So we've built it, which is the good news, and I'm going to deliver both the good news and the bad news to Ben. Yeah, so we built it, but one side is completely the wrong size. Yeah.
Just want to take a moment here to tell you about Rengald's Thingiverse page. You need to go check it out. If you've got a 3D printer, he's got so many free designs. You heard me, I said free. And I'm sure that at some point he's going to be putting this temple up there as well. Go show him some love. But it's okay, because Rachel was on hand with a special kind of magic that involves rulers and measuring and a saw and safety concerns. But I know how to use this, and it's a belt sander, and I'm going to smooth things over, which is a special kind of magic. Now it was mine and Ben's job to be gluing this behemoth together. Now it's time for gap filling. I'm using some flexible moulding paste to fill all the naughty little gaps as well as we can. And then using a sponge to just clean it all up, keep it clean. It's time for the carnival of spray painting. That's right, we're going to spray paint this whole damn thing, baby. Look at us go. It's like maracas. First, all over with a lovely black. And now there's Ben with the brown and me with another type of brown. It's the brown down. Such a good day. Such a hot day. It's kind of horrible, actually. It's the age of beige and grey. And what we're doing here is called zenithal priming. We're basically aiming from above with the spray can and spraying down, and it simulates light. And now for white. We're using successive layers here to build up some weathering. Now it's gold. Good old gold. And we're doing all the little bits of trim. And now for some blue, because that's a nice thing to pop off against the gold. God, this carnival vibe is really, yeah. Yeah, a bit of a wash now. And a wash sort of adds grime, adds a little bit of contrast back into the low end. Fantastic. Oh, having such a party. Oh, God. It's great. These drums, the drums. Here we go. And dry brushing here with a lighter colour. I think it was a white mixed with a beige, and then some green, and same again. This adds a little bit of more light weathering of the green variety, but obviously later on Ben's going to add loads of actual real green and weathering, so we're not going to go too far with this. Ooh, look at it now. Alright.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. See? Everyone's happy. So probably send you back now to your dimension. So bye.
We'll find out later exactly how that looks in the terrarium, but first, welcome to the Vortex Garden Edition. This is being brought to you, obviously, telepathically, because I can do that. The Vortex is a place where we catch up and, oh, hang on a minute, where's my hat? I'm sure that'll turn up later. If you like my channel and you like the weird stuff that I do here and you'd like to support it, I have a Patreon, which you can go and see, and we have all sorts of competitions. There's a monthly prize draw that you can win, which is pretty cool. A massive thank you to these guys who support the channel. Without them, I really couldn't do this. I have these affiliate links if you'd like to support the channel, but also get yourself some cool minis. So yeah, gonna go now. Bye. Oh yeah, there it is. We should stop leaving that there. What Ben has done with the temple is absolutely stunning. By adding real-life nature to this ancient-looking temple and a home for these charming, mischievous morning geckos, makes me feel incredibly peaceful. It's sort of like meditation for the mind. I mean, meditation is meditation for the mind as well, but, you know. I mean, look at that, it's crunching on a grasshopper. Honestly though, if you haven't been over to check out Worcester Terrariums and watch the other things that he does, you haven't really lived yet. He does magic, true magic. The house we've lived in for the last 5 years, and indeed my family house for the last 20 or more, has been our temple. And I found these old photographs from like 2002, and I decided to match them up with how things are now. As some of you know, we're moving house and we're leaving a lot of memories here. 3 generations of memories, actually, in the wrong order, as seems fitting with me and my channel. Time and space being out of order. All these memories of different times and people that are now gone, but we're still here, at least for now. A family was here, and then they were gone.